Hey, if you want to change this background on your profile on the PS5 Slim, all you have to do is just to go into the settings in the right upper corner. From here, go to the users and accounts. Now go to your account and now go into your profile. From here, scroll to the cover image. And now you can select something from your gallery, from your screenshots. You can select your trophies if you have one and other stuff. Let's say that I want to get the screenshot from the Fortnite. Yeah, maybe this one. So click on it, now tap select, and here you can actually navigate, so change the position. If you click X on the position, so you can pick wherever you want to be displayed, like this one for example. Click X to down, and you can also rotate your picture by using, you know, this the sticks. So let's say that I want to get this part. Yeah, like this. Click done. And here you can also zoom in closer wherever you want. For example, like this. Click done. Then tap to save in the right bottom corner. Now just please wait. It is loading this this image. So we just have to be patient and wait. And then click down in the right bottom corner. Now, as you can see, when you go into our profile, let me show you. As you can see, that's our image that we actually set up. So yeah, that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.